Do you ever lie awake at night, envisioning your ideal life, filled with prosperity, success, and boundless joy? Do you dream of manifesting your deepest desires effortlessly, whether it's launching your dream business, attracting wealth beyond your wildest imagination, or achieving radiant health and the career of your dreams? Well, I've got an incredible secret to share with you that can absolutely change your life forever. Imagine waking up every day with the power to attract everything your heart desires, from wealth and prosperity to radiant health and the career of your dreams. And guess what? It's not as complicated as you might think. You're just a few simple habits away from transforming your life. What if I told you that with just a few small adjustments to your daily routine, you can unlock the door to a world where abundance flows effortlessly into your life? But hold on a second. I know what you're thinking. How can such a seemingly simple technique lead to such extraordinary results? Can attracting wealth, health, and success really be that easy? Well, let me assure you, my friend, I used to have doubts too. But then I embraced these principles, and the results have been nothing short of astonishing. And I'm here to show you how to achieve the same. So if you've ever questioned your ability to manifest your dreams, or if you've ever thought that financial abundance is reserved for the lucky few, then you've come to the right place. After watching this video, your relationship with money will never be the same. It's time to share this important truth. Get ready for an exciting journey through the law of attraction. Pay close attention to the ideas I'm about to explain. They are like a step-by-step guide to making your dreams come true. Your mind is incredibly powerful. When you learn to control your mind and use it to achieve your goals, you'll have a big advantage in life, just as Deepak Chopra talks about. By using these ideas in your daily life, you'll see your dreams come true much faster. Think about this. Every person is unique with their own dreams and wishes. You might wonder how this simple approach can work for everyone, no matter what they want. The answer is pretty simple. These ideas work the same way for everyone. Sometimes it may feel like something is missing to make them work just for you. The biggest challenge is not fully understanding the important steps for making things happen in the universe. Believe in this truth. You are the one who can create your destiny. You can shape your life the way you want it to be. Until now, you might not have realized that you were creating your life. Your current situation is the result of what you've done in the past. But now is the time to consciously create the life you want, a life filled with success, happiness, and abundance, all while having the freedom to choose. Discovering your ability to desire is both freeing and puzzling. When you have many options, how can you be sure about what's right? When you want to make your dreams come true, it's all about being clear and specific. You need to know exactly what you want in your life's journey. Here's what you can do. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and focus on the middle of your chest where your heart is. What do you truly want deep down inside? Listen to your heart without judging it. Once you've figured out what you want in life, it's crucial to let go of beliefs that hold you back and think about how to make your desires happen. Picture in your mind how your journey will go and how you'll make it happen. When I talk about achievement, I'm not saying you need to work tirelessly for your dreams to come true. Instead, get ready to receive the good things that are coming your way. This is when you make your intentions clear, asking the universe to help you so your desires come to you. Remember, you're not chasing your dreams, you're pulling them towards you. Now it's time to let go of wanting a specific outcome. Don't keep going over the same thing again and again. Repeating your intent lets the universe work in your favor, sending your desires as good things your way. Stop worrying about when your dreams will come true or how long it might take. This kind of thinking is self-sabotage. True detachment from the outcome is really important. If you stay attached to a specific result, you limit your possibilities. Instead, practice detachment, like saying, "This is what I want, but if there's something even better, please bring it my way." In the realm of wisdom, it is proclaimed that desiring the outcomes of your actions reveals a lack of faith in the boundless divine will. Open yourself to the universe's benevolence, and you shall beckon excellence beyond your wildest dreams. You are deserving of happiness, abundance, and triumph. Always remember this truth. Practice gratitude and cultivate patience. Watch as the pieces fall perfectly into place. Embrace trust and allow the universe's innate perfection to unfold before you. Harness the power of affirmations and speak to yourself with unwavering positivity every day. But heed this refrain. Refrain from casting your affirmations into the future tense or adopting a tone of supplication. Begging tones like, "Please, God, grant me this promotion," or "Universe, bless me with wealth, I implore you," stem from a place of scarcity. According to the law of attraction, your thoughts manifest your reality, and a sense of lack will perpetuate more scarcity. Instead, employ affirmations in the present, echoing, "I am blessed, I am successful, the universe showers me with love, and I attract wealth effortlessly." Never underestimate the power of your intuition. Express gratitude for the blessings the universe has already bestowed upon you and those that lie ahead. Approach the universe with unwavering respect. Have faith in the process and allow the universe to unveil its splendid tapestry. Know that intuition serves as the universe's sole means of communication with you. Trust your feelings over your thoughts and remain impervious to external doubts and naysayers who doubt your potential. If you aspire to break free from limiting beliefs, meditation stands as a potent tool to calm your mind and forge a direct connection with your inner self. Meditation allows you to transcend or overcome subconscious thoughts and access a field of infinite possibilities. Through regular meditation, you can break free from limits and make your dreams come true. Don't miss the daily chances for abundance right in front of you. Your ultimate dream is to make all your wishes come true with ease. The secret to this change is raising your awareness to higher levels where you connect with nature's rules. In this higher state, you won't need to wish because everything you want will happen right in front of you at the right time and place. If you find this wisdom interesting and valuable, don't forget to like and share it with friends. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to catch our life-changing videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the law of attraction. Remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams and desires. It's time to unlock the abundance that awaits you. Embrace these principles and watch your life transform beyond your wildest imagination.